Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Qwen CLI on Windows operating system. So first you're opening this place, so command prompt. So here let's use CLS. Now if I write node -v, so you can see node version 24 that already installed. If I write there npm -v, so npm is already installed. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install their Qwen. So here this is the command is there, npm install Qwen and Qwen code latest. Press enter. So this here currently this is downloading the package and installing the Qwen inside the Windows machine. So added 5 packages in 15 seconds. Now thereafter let's write there Qwen --version. So you can see here what exactly 14 version that install. Now if you write there Qwen, then here you can see Qwen, this all that's come there, free up to 1000 requests per day by using this. This is Alibaba Cloud Plan and API key. Okay, so let's press first option, and here please visit this site. So you can open this site with let's click Firefox. Now this here, so you can do the login with Qwen account or do with Google or GitHub. Let's use their Google. There you need to do their sign in. So here you can see authentication successful. Let's go back there. Now you can use the Qwen here. Let's write hi. So this writing there what exactly Qwen. So this returning so fastly. Okay, let's use Control C to stop. What version of Qwen I am using? So I don't have any version. Okay, so this is how we can do here installation of Qwen CLI on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.